Congratulations on being a part of my community of Wisters, Widow Sisters. My name is Carolyn Moore, and today I'm going to share with you some good news about embracing this life in a positive way and finding the empowerment needed to walk this journey. It's absolutely possible to find transformational growth in this stage of life that you never chose to be in. I understand your heart is broken, and I want to be there for you. I can help you rebuild a thriving life. We'll tap into your strengths, resilience, and natural intuition so you can make choices confidently that bring you the balance, peace, and love in a myriad of ways. I want this for you, and I want you to prosper in every aspect of life, like I have. Listen, many smart, educated, resourceful widows lose their center and get confused. Knowing where to begin in all the chaos is challenging. So don't beat yourself up if you've ever felt this. It happens to thousands, probably millions of widows around the world. I get it. It's not easy nor fair. That's the reason that drove me to this mission of becoming a shining light in the darkness for widows looking for empowerment, leaning into life, building resilience, and making a positive difference matters. You can do this. I work with many widows who ask themselves, what now? And I can help you move forward from that place of uncertainty, pain, and mystery, and into a place of knowing, comfort, and how to take the next best step for you. I encourage and invite you to type your name and email into the box below for a gift from me. You'll be inspired to know how your own resilience is the beginning of a new, empowered you. So don't wait another minute. Enter your name and email, and I'll see you over there.